Welcome to this tutorial on inviting team members to ZenInbox using a CSV file. Follow these simple steps to add your team in bulk and manage collaboration effectively. Access the Manage Teams section. Navigate to the Manage Teams option under the Organization section in the sidebar. Here, you can view existing members and invite new ones to your organization. Add team members. Click the red Add Team Member button in the top right corner. Select Import from CSV to invite multiple team members in bulk. Upload a CSV file. A pop-up will appear where you can upload your CSV file. Click Choose CSV to select a file from your system, or drag and drop the file into the designated area. If you don't have a file prepared, download the sample CSV template to format your data correctly. Map attributes. After uploading the file, map the columns in your CSV to the corresponding fields in ZenInbox. Name. Map to the column containing team member names. Email address. Map to the column with email addresses. Role. Map to the column specifying roles for team members. Click Save to confirm the mapping. Send invitations. Once the file is processed, ZenInbox will automatically send invitations to the listed email addresses. The invited members will receive an email with instructions to join the organization. Their status will appear as Invitation Pending until they accept the invitation. Manage invited members. After inviting members, you can manage them in the team list. View details. See their name, email address, role, and status. Action. Menu. Use the three-dot menu to edit, suspend, or delete a team member. Monitor member status. Active. The member has joined and is part of the organization. Invitation. Pending. The member has not yet accepted the invitation. Efficient team collaboration. With team members added to ZenInbox using CSV, you can now collaborate on tasks, assign roles, and manage email workflows effectively. Thank you for using ZenInbox and enjoy seamless teamwork.